Welcome back, beauty. Today we're talking about Genius Wigs. Inside this box has a wig cap, a comb. I'm gonna get straight in there and unpack this wig. It's a short one. I have a little sniff there. It smells pretty good. There are traps in the back of the wig, and in the front of the wig is an ear-to-ear lace closure. It looks really natural on the skin, and it fits snugly on the back. So I'm just putting it on right now, and it looks a bit crazy. We look cray-cray, but don't worry, we're gonna style it. So I'm cutting the lace off the wig, and take your time to do this here. Only cut a little at a time so you can get the right kind of shape. I'm not doing any plucking on the front of the lace because it is so good. The hairline is so good, you don't need to do any plucking. I wish they left a little bit of length so I could cut and style it how I wanted to. So I have a little more to work with, but that's okay. If you want a wig that you wear straight out the box, this is gonna be it. I'm just using some water and conditioner in this bottle right now and spraying it to get the hair to move a little bit more and styled. And so it activates the curls. You can see it's getting a lot more curly now, and the texture of the hair is starting to show. Then I make the part where I'd like it to be. You can make this any way you want. And then I start to pluck the hairline. This is where I do the plugging. I really wish Genius Wigs would use different color lace frontals so that you can choose which lace color you want. But for now, I'm just using a bit of foundation. And I cut the lace where it attaches to the tracks so that it can fit over my ears properly. Now I glue down the wig. I'm using the tiniest bit of glue. I'll put the name of the glue in the description bar for you guys, and I'm just spreading that. You wait till it's clear and then you stick down the wig. So I'm holding that section down and adjusting it so you make sure that I get it right on the other side. And I repeat the same thing. It's a lot, but we're getting it done. Okay, next I'm using my scarf. This is what I use to tie my hair to make sure that it sets in place. I find where I want the separation again, and now I'm starting to style the hair. I'm using a little bit of Cantu Curl Moisturizer Activator to get that hair all curly. And I'm just teasing the hair with my hands to get it as curly as possible. I'm gonna keep adding moisturizer and curling with my hands until I am satisfied. And to get some hold, I'm using some Got to Be Glued spray to freeze that in place. Okay, sis, now time to do the makeup because I've got to give you guys the full look. We're not going to go into too much detail here about makeup, but I'll put some of the products that I use in the description bar for you guys. And I've started using powder foundation and I absolutely love it. On my eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And this is real life, you guys. So while I'm doing my makeup, I got a call from my friend. And she's berating me for not knowing how to drive yet. Because she's getting a car. Lord, what have I done? I shouldn't have said nothing. See me in my big mouth. Oh my God, shots. I'm filming, you know, they can hear all of this. Look at my life. She was firing shots at me, saying she's gonna be waiting. Why are you not driving? I gotta learn how to drive. But COVID stopped that. That's why. That's the only reason why. But we're not gonna talk about that right now. So I'm finishing off the look. I haven't added my lashes yet, but that's okay. We're gonna add them last. The hairline has had a long time to set, so now I can take off the satin scarf. It looks okay, and we're gonna continue styling it now. So I'm just pulling out some of the hairs. I'm not really doing baby hairs because this wig doesn't need baby hairs like that, but I'm pulling out some of the hairs to make it look more realistic in the front. The hairline is really realistic anyway, so I don't need to do much. You will see when this is done how it looks. I'm not quite sure about the styling here. I'm trying to figure it out, but it's definitely giving me a hard time. And then I get a lovely interruption from Bay. Oh, thank you!
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you. I actually needed tea. Thank you so much.
Your hair really looks so good.
Thank you. I'm not sure I like it, but hi. You got some chubby cheeks now. You chubby cheeks. Oh, you're so cute. You look cute. You look good, girl. It's very short, so it's hard to like manipulate. If it's this short, there's not much I can do. You look great though. Thank you. It's makeup all. I need to do an accent challenge, man. We should. That'd be so cool. I don't think I can do a Ghanaian accent. I think I can do Nigerian. This reminds me of when I had Jerry curls back in the day. I wonder if you pin the other side. I mean, it's just that it has no hold. No. Yeah. I will say though, the wigs at the front are very realistic. It looks really good. Like the hair, like yeah. A little bit more length to the other side. Yeah, that's what they should have done. They cut it too short. Yeah, it looks much better lifted off your forehead though. In that side, the left. This side, yeah. And it's questioning my skills, my wig skills, because I got skills, but I'm gonna hold it. I'm filming all now, so you know. I'm actually. I'll hide you. I'm actually having a full-blown conversation while doing my hair. This wasn't part of the plan, but. I know. We're only gonna talk for 5 minutes. Okay, it's not that bad now. I just need to let it. Now it looks much better. Let it dry. I need another pin. Pin it so that it stays. Or just lift it up. Actually, that's the shout. That's good. That gives them some angles. Jemima, you're ridiculous. So after a little conversation with my girl, I finally got it the way that I wanted, and I think it looks really good. So here is the finished product, you guys. It looks so good. I am impressed. And I'm sure you guys saw it on Instagram as well. People could not believe that this was a wig when I first showed it. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, guys. See you in my next one.